Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Learn Math with Syed Ali. So we are continuing our topic of Pythagorean theorem today, and question here is one leg of an isosceles triangle is 9 centimeter. Find the measurement of its hypotenuse. So if you remember the types of the triangles, we will have another class on types of the triangles. There are 6 types of the triangles, and one of them is right angle triangle. We discussed it last time, and 3 of them are because of the angle and 3 of them are because of the side. So one of the type isosceles triangle is the one which has got 2 sides equal. So here they are questioning us that one leg of an isosceles triangle is 9 centimeter. That means the other leg will also be 9 centimeter. So this thing is hidden in the fact that it is an isosceles triangle. So that means if this is 9 centimeter, this is also 9 centimeter. And what is unknown? Measurement of hypotenuse. And hypotenuse in Pythagorean theorem we indicated as C, and the other 2 legs are A and B. So A is equals to 9 centimeter, B is equals to 9 centimeter. Find out hypotenuse or C. And the formula we did was C square is equals to A square plus B square, which says square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of 2 legs. So here we have 9 whole square plus 9 whole square, that is 81. 9 times 9 is 81 plus 81. So that comes out as how much? 2, 8, 8, 16. And then we have to take the root of it, square root of it, because this is value of C square, and then we have to take the value of C, which is under root 162, and you can take root by calculator, right? So this is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter one side, so other side is also 9 centimeter. So we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find out the hypotenuse. Just I gave this question because of this term, that isosceles triangle which has got 2 sides equal. So if one side is given, other side is also the same. Sometimes question is asked that prove if the right angle triangle has, so prove that. We have to prove that right angle triangle if 2 legs are 6 and 8. If 2 legs are 6 and 8 centimeter and longer side is 10 centimeter. What we have to prove? Prove that this triangle is a right angle triangle. Triangle is a right angle triangle. So we have to prove if the sides 2 legs are given and the longer side is given, is a right angle triangle. So if we have this question, how we prove it? If it proves or it equals to or it satisfies our Pythagorean theorem, then it is the right angle triangle. And what is Pythagorean theorem? Square of the longer side is equals to sum of the squares of the 2 legs. So what is legs given here? 6 whole square plus 8 whole square, right? These are the legs given. So 6 times 6 is 36, 8 times 8 is 64, and then we add them up and it comes out as 100, and this is value of C square, but we need C. So that means this half power, this 2 power will go to the other side as a square root of this half power, and which is 10 centimeters. So my longer side is 10 centimeter, which is given here. The longer side is 10 centimeters. So since it satisfies the Pythagorean theorem. So your answer will be, since given values satisfies Pythagorean theorem, therefore it is a right angle triangle, right? Right angle triangle. So if question is given like this, you can handle it, right? You have to prove Pythagorean theorem. If those values, you plug it in A and B, the two legs, and it comes out as the longer side, which is 10 centimeter, that means it satisfies our Pythagorean theorem, and it is a right angle triangle. Sometimes question is asked in a different way, so bear with me a second. Then I erase this and I will put another example for you. So this is also gone. Now we have a question like this, that a picture or diagram is made which is like this. So it consists of two right angle triangle, right? And the dimensions here given me 12 centimeter. For example, this dimension is 10 centimeter and this is P. So that means this is unknown. And this dimension is 5 centimeter, right? So, and this is Q. And what question says? Question says find the length of the missing side. So what is the question this time? Find the length of the missing sides. So here P and Q are unknown. P and Q are unknown, right? So if we see this diagram, we can see that there is a right angle triangle where two sides are given. In this right angle triangle, two sides are given. The longer side is given, that is C, and a shorter side or the leg is given. One of the leg is given. So if longer side and one leg is given, we can use Pythagorean theorem to find out the other leg, that is P in this case. So C square is equals to A square plus B square again, and we will be saying 12 square is equals to 10 square plus B square. So we will be saying 144 is equals to 10 square is 100 plus B square. So we shift this 100 to the other side. So it will be 144 minus 100 is equals to B square, and B square is equals to 144 minus 100, which is 44, So, and B will be equals to under the root 44, which we can say that it is equals to 6.63 centimeter. So B is equals to P. In this picture or in this figure, my B is nothing but the unknown quantity P. So I find out P is equals to 6.63 centimeter. Once I know this P, then I have this known and this known. So I have two sides known or two legs known in this triangle. So I can find out Q now for the second triangle. So for the second triangle, applying the formula again, I can say Q square, which is hypotenuse in this triangle, is equals to P square plus 5 square, because it is given. The same thing, I just pick it up from one leg is P and other leg is 5. So the definition of the Pythagorean theorem is square of the longer side, which is Q square, is equals to sum of the square of the two legs. So P square plus 5 square. So we are unknown is Q here. P is known, which we calculate in the first part, 6.63 whole square plus 5 whole square. So 6.63 whole square, we know that it is coming back as 44. right? So 44 plus 25. So if we add them up, it comes out as 69. But this is the value of q square. What we need to find out q. So q will be equals to under root 69, which will be equals to 13. No, 13. It will be 8, 8 is 64. So 8.31 centimeter. So we find out the two unknown values here, which was P and Q. So in this way, you can solve the questions using Pythagorean theorem. Hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to receive another video. Thank you for watching.